Hello, welcome. This is One India News. I am Akash and this is the Angry Indian Rant. Why? Because first of all, I'm Indian. Secondly, I'm angry because we Indians are angry about each and everything under the sun. Be it the heat, be it the winters, be it the rains, be it your Kamwali Bai or anything else. We are angry about each and everything. So I thought, why not? Let's do a show about it and let's give it a little bit of twist. Because on social media, we guys are pouring out all our anger. So I thought this is a good idea of me getting a little bit of load out of my shoulders and you guys getting a little bit of entertainment out of it. So what we are going to do in this show, I'm going to pick 5 topics and on those 5 topics, I am going to rant angrily. So that's it. That is the show. I hope you guys like it. And of course, if you do let me know in your angry way. So let's hit it out on number 1, which is the one and only Arvind Kejriwal. Sir ji, kaise hai? Everything good? Well, actually, everything is not good in the Aam Aadmi Party. Apart from the infight which is happening between Kumar Vishwas and Arvind Kejriwal. Arvind Kejriwal thinks that he is, Kumar Vishwas basically is his younger brother. And now, hello, Arvind Kejriwal has proved that he is a better politician. How? Well, he has given a small lollipop to Kumar Vishwas. He has given a small lollipop. I mean, like seriously, Kumar Vishwas, your standards are so damn low, man. It is so damn low. He just made you the convener of the AAP Rajasthan chapter and you are happy with it. Like, seriously, man. Seriously, your standards are so low.
मैं 10 बार कह चुका हूँ. परसों मैंने मनीष से कहा, अरविंद से कहा, पार्टी से कहा, आज आपके माध्यम से कह रहा हूँ. जीवन में ना कभी चीफ मिनिस्टर बनना है, ना डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर बनना है, ना पार्टी अध्यक्ष बनना है, ना कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ज्वाइन करनी है, ना कोई स्वराज आंदोलन ज्वाइन करना है. मैं यहाँ इस काम के लिए नहीं आया. मुझे पता नहीं आप क्या कर रहे हैं, पर मैं इस काम के लिए नहीं आया.
इससे अच्छे स्टैंडर्ड तो हमारे ऑफिस के काम वालों के हैं. Like seriously, they have some standard in the office, and you know, being a poet and an intellectual and whatnot, he just got beaten up by an IITian. You're such a silly man, like seriously. But of course, the infight between Aam Aadmi Party is so-called now over. Let's see who gets what. Okay, number 2, which is the IPL, and it has 2 sub-parts in it, which is number 1, Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli, what are you doing, man? What is wrong with Virat Kohli? He is not at all performing. Apart from like 2 half centuries in this whole IPL, there has been nothing from Virat Kohli. Like seriously, man. And Royal Challengers Bangalore, they are not even in the playoffs. क्या हो गया? क्यों? मतलब I understand Vijay Mallya नहीं है, बापू नहीं है, रोज रात को you are not getting the booze, you are not getting the energy, but at least play something, guys. And apart from the RCB, then there is our very own Delhi Daredevils, the DD. क्या हो गया DD? मतलब आप तो DD से भी गए गुजरे हो, और दूरदर्शन से भी गए गुजरा है the DD. Not even once आपने एक भी IPL में you guys performed. It is so pathetic, man. Like seriously, कभी तो perform कर लो यार. मतलब you guys are in the bottom. अगर bottom का भी bottom होता ना, उसमें भी चले जाते हो. Like seriously, that is so ridiculous. You guys are so bad in playing. I think we should not, Delhi should not at least play now in the IPL. No, you should not at all play in the IPL. At least Delhi वालों की नाक कटने से बचेगी. Seriously. Number 3, yes, there is a new viral video of Delhi Metro, and it proves that we Delhiites can go to any level when it comes to seat. पहले सीट क्या होती थी? बस में सीट होती थी. अब पॉलिटिशियंस की सीट होती है. और after that, now it is a Delhi Metro seat. Now watch this video. Like, watch this video, guys.
लड़के की.
अरे भाई.
Let's fight.
Don't do this.
Let's fight now. Go punish you. Go punish you.
Please calm down. Nobody is trying to fight anyway.
Let's fight.
Don't do this.
Let's fight now. Go punish you.
This video is like super amazing. A women actually stripped. I know it sounds like, you know, every guy's dream. A women stripping in the metro. Yeah, dreams coming true. But seriously, this is so shit. Yeah, what is this? A woman stripping in the metro because she was not able to get a seat. Wow. Okay, I will put the picture into your imagination. Watch this video. You watch this? You seen the video? Your imaginations are all wet. You're wet. Exactly. Your imaginations are all wet, right? And lastly, but not the least, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Yes, the PM. The El Capitano. Yeah, what he has done what he has said. He said that he will end the VIP culture, and that he did. Well, he visited the Kedarnath temple, and over there he did something which I must say, I must salute him for that thing. What he did, he went there and he was taking out his shoes, and then somebody actually came, seeing that Prime Minister is taking out his own shoes. As far as we Indians are concerned, we are like, whoa, our politicians can't even touch their own feet. Like, seriously, they are the feet of the gods. But no, they're not the feet of the gods, they're the feet of the human being. So that's what happened. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi, what he is, a genuine human being, he told the guy that he would take out his own chappals or shoes. So seriously, VIP culture is a tight slap on your face. So this is the Angry India rant for this week. If you didn't like the anger, quotient in it, do let me know. I will be more angry from the next video. And of course, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is oneindia.com YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will be more angry the next time. I hope so. Thanks for watching. Go back home, do your homework, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I said don't subscribe. No, I mean to say subscribe to our channel. Yes, you have to, and comment and be angry, because we are all angry Indians.